Hey everyone! Welcome to SL Dimension, where we dive into tips and tricks to make your SolidWorks experience smoother and more efficient. Today, I'll show you how to add 3D textures to your designs the easy way without any hassle. Let's jump right in. Adding 3D textures can elevate your designs, making them more realistic and ready for 3D printing. Usually, you'd need to spend time using advanced features like the offset surface or cut commands, but today, we'll skip the complex steps and use the SolidWorks texture library for a quick and professional result. Today we will see adding texture on face, but for full body the process is same, just in that case select the full body. Okay, let's start. Select the face or body you want to apply the texture to. Go to the Appearances tab on the right-hand toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Textures. SolidWorks has a library of predefined textures you can directly use. Drag and drop the texture onto your model, and SolidWorks automatically maps it to the surface. You can modify the texture size, scale, and orientation using the options on the left panel to fit your design perfectly. Now, the best part. Once your texture is applied, you can prepare the design for 3D printing. Ensures the 3D printer translates the texture exactly as it appears in SolidWorks. Remember to save the file as an STL format for printing. And here's the result: our textured model brought to life through 3D printing. Using the SolidWorks texture library is not only quick but also effective, especially for achieving complex designs without any hassle. Let me know in the comments what textures you've experimented with or any challenges you face in SolidWorks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to SL Dimension for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.